Yesterday night, Uche and I went out. We headed to the stadium in Zurich for a concert of the Swiss band called Hey. As we had standing tickets, we headed in early and waited patiently for the concert to begin. And when the band came out, the whole stadium went loose. 15,000 people on their feet. And we didn't stop for the next 2 hours. Singing along as if there's no tomorrow. It's so much more fun if you know the lyrics. Uche and I had so much fun. What an unforgettable night.